A bird, a billionaire, and a bold rebrand in October 2022, Elon Musk, one of the most high-profile entrepreneurs of the 21st century, finalized his $44 billion acquisition of Twitter. What followed was a whirlwind of chaos, controversy, and a radical transformation that rebranded the iconic social media platform into simply X. But how did we get here? And why did one of the richest men in the world willingly torch billions of dollars on a platform that was already struggling to turn a profit? This is the story of Twitter, or rather X, from its humble beginnings to its volatile new era under Elon Musk. The birth of Twitter. In March 2006, Jack Dorsey, Biz Stone, Noah Glass, and Evan Williams launched Twitter, originally as a side project at Audio, a failing podcasting company. The idea was simple: a microblogging platform where users could post status updates to friends in 140 characters or less. Initially called TWTTR, the service quickly gained traction at the 2007 South by Southwest SXSW Festival, where usage spiked. By 2010, Twitter had grown into a global communication tool with over 100 million users. Celebrities, politicians, activists, and brands adopted it to speak directly to the public. Twitter played a pivotal role in global movements like the Arab Spring and Occupy Wall Street. Its strength lay in its simplicity, immediacy, and real-time nature. Yet, for all its cultural influence, Twitter struggled to become a consistently profitable business. Its advertising model lagged behind competitors like Facebook and Google. Internal strife, frequent leadership changes, and unclear vision plagued the company throughout the 2010s. The rise of Elon Musk as a Twitter power user. Elon Musk was no stranger to Twitter. Long before he considered buying it, he used the platform as his digital megaphone. His tweets moved markets, hyped up Tesla products, and occasionally landed him in legal trouble, such as the infamous funding secured tweet in 2018 that led to an SEC settlement. Musk's use of Twitter was unconventional, erratic, and often controversial, but he amassed tens of millions of followers, becoming one of the platform's most influential figures. He often criticized Twitter's moderation policies, positioning himself as a free speech absolutist. His growing discontent with how the platform was run laid the groundwork for what came next. Chapter 3. The $44 billion acquisition. In April 2022, Elon Musk announced he had acquired a significant stake in Twitter and was joining the board. Days later, he offered to buy the entire company for $44 billion, a 38% premium over its stock price. At first, it seemed like a troll or a bluff, but Musk had the resources, and Twitter's board, after some hesitation, accepted the offer. However, Musk soon tried to back out, citing concerns about bots and spam accounts. Twitter sued him to enforce the deal. In October, just days before a court trial was set to begin, Musk completed the acquisition. He walked into Twitter HQ carrying a sink, a metaphor meant to signal a reset. "Let that sink in," he tweeted. Chaos at the top. Musk wasted no time shaking things up. Within days, he fired top executives, including CEO Parag Agrawal. He slashed the workforce by more than half. Entire departments were gutted. Trust and safety teams, moderation, communications, and engineering saw deep cuts. He made controversial policy changes, including reinstating banned accounts and attempting to monetize verification through Twitter Blue, a paid subscription that let users purchase the blue checkmark. This led to widespread impersonation and chaos as fake verified accounts proliferated. Advertisers, Twitter's main source of revenue, fled. Content demoderation concerns, brand safety issues, and Musk's erratic behavior made Twitter a risky platform for marketers. Revenue dropped sharply. The X rebrand in July 2023, Musk did something that shocked even his closest followers. He rebranded Twitter as X. The bluebird was gone. The app's name changed. Tweets became posts. Musk said he envisioned X as an everything app, combining messaging, payments, video, shopping, and more, inspired by platforms like China's WeChat. The rebrand was rushed. Signage on Twitter's HQ in San Francisco was literally torn down in the middle of the night. The X logo was hastily added to the app and website. Many users were confused. Some were outraged. But Musk didn't flinch. He'd had an obsession with the letter X for decades. From X.com, his original online banking startup that became PayPal, to SpaceX. Now he owned X.com again and redirected it to the newly rebranded platform. Chapter 6. Financial fallout. By late 2023, Twitter, now X, was bleeding. Revenue had dropped by more than 50%. Musk claimed the company was losing $4 million per day at one point. Debt servicing from the leverage buyout added pressure. Musk sold billions in Tesla stock to fund the deal, angering Tesla investors. Meanwhile, X's valuation dropped to around $20 billion, less than half of what Musk paid. Some cost-cutting measures were effective, but user engagement declined. Competitors emerged, like Threads by Meta, hoping to capitalize on Twitter's instability. The vision for X, despite the financial mess, Musk remained steadfast in his vision for X. He appointed Linda Yaccarino, a former NBC Universal ad executive, as CEO to try to win back advertisers. Musk continued pushing for new features: video streaming, long-form content, job listings, and even financial tools. X acquired licenses to operate as a payment processor in several US states. Musk spoke of turning X into a platform where users could send money, invest, shop, and more. Skeptics saw these moves as scattershot. Supporters believed Musk was building a new digital empire. Either way, X was no longer just a microblogging site. Cultural shifts and public perception under Musk, X took a hard turn in tone and content. The platform embraced more controversial voices, reinstated conspiracy theorists, and removed many previous content moderation policies. Some users loved the freewheeling, anything-goes atmosphere. Others saw it as a decline into chaos and toxicity. Meanwhile, journalists, researchers, and watchdogs raised concerns about the spread of misinformation, harassment, and hate speech. Musk dismissed many critics, often attacking them directly from his account. The platform became a reflection of Musk himself: bold, chaotic, and unpredictable. Conclusion: was it worth it? As of 2025, X remains one of the most influential and controversial platforms in the world. Musk turned Twitter into a personal experiment, a corporate playground, and perhaps a long-term bet on reshaping the internet. But the cost was staggering. $44 billion, investor backlash, user trust erosion, and declining revenue. Whether X becomes the everything app Musk envisions or ends up as a cautionary tale of hubris and impulsive leadership remains to be seen. One thing's certain: Elon Musk didn't just buy Twitter. He blew it up, rebuilt it in his image, and redefined what a social media platform and a CEO could be.